Good morning, dear students. Myself, Manoj Kumar Saur, work as Associate Professor in Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy Branch. Today, our topic is Fundamental of Pharmacology. Fundamental of Pharmacology is very important topic for every medical students. After this lecture, you will be able to understand what is the pharmacology and what is the scope of pharmacology and what are different routes of drug administration. So I start from what is pharmacology and what are the different branches of pharmacology. So let's branch and scope of pharmacology. Pharmacoepidemiology. Epidemiology, it is the branch of pharmacology in which you get data of other diseases. For example, means what is the cause of other disease and what are the treatment applied for the disease. Cardiovascular pharmacology. As its name denotes, cardiovascular pharmacology means the drugs used for the treatment of heart disease. Study in the cardiovascular pharmacology. Pharmacogenetics. Some disease induced in our body due to genetic problems. So in this branch of pharmacology, we study the drugs which are used in the treatment of pharmacogenetics. Systematic pharmacology. It is plain pharmacology. It covers pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Pharmacokinetic means absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of the drugs. And pharmacodynamics means the effect of the drug which induce in our body, like therapeutic action, pharmacological action, side effects, adverse effect. These are also come in the systematic pharmacology. Toxicology. In this branch of pharmacology, we study the toxic effect of the drugs. Neuropharmacology. In this branch of pharmacology, we study the drugs which are used in the treatment of nervous disease. Means disease come in the nervous system. Like antipsychotic drugs are used in the treatment of psychosis. Antidepressant drugs are used in the treatment of depression. Dental pharmacology. In this branch of pharmacology, we use drugs for the treatment of dental disease, like dental caries, like infection in the mouth. All these drugs which are used in the treatment of dental therapy study in the dental pharmacology. Pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics means kinetic means motions. So how the drug motion in our body, it can be understood by the pharmacokinetics. Like libration, it is the first stage. In this stage, drug break down into smaller particles. Absorption, drug absorbed through skin, intestine, mucous membrane. Distribution. In this phase, active pharmaceutical ingredients spread in our body. Metabolism. After absorption of the drug metabolize or active pharmaceutical ingredients convert into the useful chemical for the body. Example, dopamine convert in the form of levodopa. Excretion means how the drug expel from our body. It can be done by the excretion. It may be through urine, through bile, through breath, etc. Pharmacodynamic. In this part of pharmacology, we study the effect of drugs in our body. There are different types of effect like pharmacological action, therapeutic action, side effects, and adverse effect produced by the drugs study in the pharmacodynamics. All these, for example, paracetamol are used in the treatment of fever. It is the therapeutic action of the paracetamol which is used to reduce the body temperature. Another example in this category, sodium bicarbonate is the systematic antacid which is used in the treatment of acidity. You can see here, this figure denotes absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination of the drugs. In the first part, you can see here is the drug given by different route like oral route, intravenous route, subcutaneous routes, inhalation, or transdermal routes. In the second part, you can see here liver, gut, blood, and lungs. There are 4 organs which are responsible for metabolism, distribution of the drugs. Blood is the vehicle by which the drug distribute in different parts of the body. After producing their effect, the neutralized drug comes in the blood and excrete through kidney, sweat glands, and feces. So we come to the next part, route of drug administration. Route of drug administration can be classified into, drug can be classified into 2 routes, systematic routes or local routes. Systematic routes. In this route of drug administration, we categorize into the oral route, sublingual route, or rectal routes. Another part, parenteral routes. Parenteral routes means the drugs which not go to the systematic absorption, distribution, metabolism. Means in this part, drug directly injected into the different parts of our body, like arteries, veins, or some different joint places. Local route. Drug apply locally into the particular parts of the body, like skin, mucous membranes. This route is known by topical route because the drug simply apply to the particular place. Oral route. This is the most simplest route of drug administration, or this route is very convenient route for drug administration. Advantage. The first advantage of this route is most of the drugs formulated for oral routes due to its low cost and long expiry period. There is no need of skilled person for drug administration by this route. In the parenteral or in the injections which comes into the parenteral route, skilled person are required. It is the safe route of drug administration as compared to the parenteral route. If any wrong drugs administered by this route may be retrieved or withdraw from the stomach. This route is convenient for all age group, children, adult, and old age. Disadvantage. There are some disadvantage of this route. This route is not useful in medical emergency. If patient persists vomiting, the drug cannot be given by this route. Drug cannot given by this route if the patient is unconscious. So these are some disadvantages of the oral routes. Next, sublingual route. In this route, the drug is simply placed in the mouth or under the tongue. Buccal tablet or harder tablet as compared to the sublingual tablet. The disintegration time of buccal tablet is 4 hours, while sublingual tablets within a second. Buccal cavity tablet, for example, antacid tablets. Sublingual routes, example, nitroglycerin tablet are used in the treatment of angina pectoris. Advantage. The first or most important advantage of this route is bioavailability of the drugs is very high if the drug given by this route. Rapid absorption because of the good blood supply to the area of absorption is usually quite rapid, especially for drugs with good lipid solubility. Drug stability. pH in the mouth relatively neutral, thus the drug may be more stable. Disadvantage. Allowed to strain the dose in the mouth is inconvenient. Drug test may be need to be masked. Rectal route. It is the another route of drug administration. The drugs given by the rectal routes are most commonly given as in the form of suppository or enemas. Some drugs given by this route include aspirin, theophylline, chloropromazine, and some barbiturates are also given by this route. Advantage. There are some advantage of this route. Bypass liver. Some but not all of the veins draining the rectum leads directly to the general circulation, thus by passing the liver. Therefore, there are maybe a reduced first pass metabolic effect. Second, if the patient is unable to take the drugs orally, so drug can be given by the rectal route. Disadvantage. Drug absorption from suppository is often incomplete and irritating. However, for some drugs, it is quite useful. Not well accepted, maybe some discomfort. Parenteral route. For parenteral route, it is very important to understand. Most of the people have wrong thought about the parenteral route. They think about parenteral route means injection. Drug given by the injection is parenteral route. It is incorrect. In the parenteral route, we supply the drug directly into the bloods. It may be in the form of pump or inhaler. It may be in the form of injections. Means these routes not follow proper systematic circulation, absorption, distribution, metabolism. It directly goes to the blood first. Okay. Hopefully you understand or enjoy the session. Thank you. Thank you very much.